In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can edit a PDF file on your laptop. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But right here is the PDF file that I want to go ahead and edit. What you're going to want to do is find that PDF file that you want to edit and essentially just move it over to the side and essentially open up a web browser of your choice and go to google.com and hit enter. From here, what you're going to want to do is just make sure that you sign into your Google account up in the top right, or create a new account if you don't already have one. But essentially click the Google Apps button right here and scroll down on this tab until you see the option for Google Drive. Once you see it, select it. It's going to open up a page that looks something like this. And click New up in the top left corner and find this little file upload section right here. And then find that PDF file that you want to open, select it, and then upload it just like so. Once it does upload, you're going to see it in here. Just open it up. And then up at the top, you're going to see an option that says Open with Google Docs. Choose that, and it's going to reopen it with Google Docs. And what it's going to do is actually convert that PDF, and now you can edit it like a normal document. Whenever you're done editing, all you have to do is just go back up to File up in the top left corner, hover over the Download tab right here, and then you're going to see an option to re-download it as a PDF document. Go ahead and choose that, and it's going to save that updated PDF back to your computer. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.